YouTubers. Well, today I'm going to do the the porch of my deck, of where I replaced the treads last week and stained that area. I am going to do the deck part of it. The boards don't look that bad. I'll show you here. I've got to clean them before I get started here. But the boards aren't too bad. They're just faded. They have been on the porch. They'll be 6 years this September. So since the house was built. So we're going to use the stain. It's a Valspar stain that I purchased from my local Lowe's. And what I did, I took one of the pieces of the board of the treads, took it down to Lowe's and used that in order to get the color stain. I had a darker color stain that I had used on the riser boards, and I wanted to have sort of a contrast. So I took what I had left over from the riser boards and mixed it in with the current stain today to give me a little bit different, a little bit lighter or darker, but not as dark, lighter stain that I'm going to be using on the board. So I've got to get this all cleaned up and get it swept and get it cleaned, move the furniture out of the way, and well, we got her all done last week. So it's been a few days since I've been able to get out here and show you what I did, but how it turned out. But anyway, you can see here that it came out pretty good. So when you get down to either thinking about putting composite boards on your porch, or whether to go with a stain, this came out pretty well. And if your deck lumber that has treated lumber has been on your deck or on a covered porch and out of the weather, I just stain it. Saves you a lot of money. I think that 1 gallon of that stain that I got at Lowe's, it was the Valspar, and they tinted it for me for my color. Came out to be, I think it was right about 45 bucks. And then I had a $15 rebate that I did online. So for 30 bucks, that's the way it turned out. So it saved myself quite a bit, because those boards, or those individual boards I put on the steps, were 26 bucks a piece. So anyway, when you get down to it, it saves you a lot of money. So you can do it that way, and it really makes your porch look nice. Looks like a brand new porch out here now. So anyway, hope you enjoyed it, and thank you for watching, and we'll see you in another week or so. Get out and do something.